Welcome to another edition of the Story Behind the Car. This is in a parking lot, and I just had to shoot it. It's a 1961 Ford Econoline pickup truck, and boy, what a story this truck would tell if it could talk. Just a cool old truck, and it looks like it's been totally used, not used up, but wow, what a cool truck. You know, just the lines, the dents, the scratches, the patina. Here you can see the emergency brake. Just a cool truck, and I just had to shoot it. As we slide around to the back of the vehicle, it's got a Missouri 1961 plate, and then I don't know if it was called a five-window, but it's a lot like the five-window Chevy truck. And then check out that little box in the corner. Don't know what that was for, probably just a little storage. You could keep a couple tools. And then it's got the Marine backup gas tank. Just had to shoot it. Just a cool old truck, and been around the block a few times. Hope you enjoyed checking this out. I got a link below for more information on the Econoline. Pretty cool truck, and every once in a while you'll see them. They're still out on the road. So thanks again for watching. Drive them till you can't.